In this video, I'll share how exactly you can earn 1 lakh rupees per month from Udemy by creating a video course. Now you might be thinking, what video course can I create? What is the specialization do I have? Now if you are having that question, so let me tell you on how you can identify your specialization in which you can create a video course, right? Now first think, what are the kind of problems that you feel you can solve? What do you think that you can help others to scale up? Right? When you start thinking in that way, you're certainly going to get a lot of ideas on which you can certainly create a digital video course as well. Now to get the content ideas, log into Udemy and go to category section. You see here lot of categories that have been listed, right? See what really connects to you. If you're a person who is working in an IT job, then you can create videos on the technologies. Either it could be .NET, C# or something like that, right? You see here web development, correct? Data science, mobile development, programming languages, gaming development, correct? There are a lot of things. Now, if you're into business, again, you can create on entrepreneurship. There are many courses that can be created. You see a lot of ideas on which you can create the courses as well, correct? So on sales skills, okay, lead generation, e-commerce, correct? Amazon FBA, drop shipping. Now, if you come, if say for example, if you are a person who is good in designing or something, you can even consider those things, web designing or graphic designing. You can run through this categories and see which category really connects to you. Now, once you identify which category connects to you, just comment below which is the topic and category that you feel you can create the course on. Okay. Now, say for example, if you are a person who is a photographer or videographer, there are a lot of courses that can be created on that as well. Again, on health and fitness. Either you might be a person who is doing practicing fitness. Certainly you can create videos on that, right? There are a lot of topics like Pilates, home workout, muscle building, teacher training, stretching exercise, correct, weight loss, a lot of things in sports, general health. Again, there are also topics on nutrition and diet. So you can also create videos on nutrition or the healthy recipes, something like that. Now, if you are a person who is a teacher or something like that, then you can also create videos on many topics, right? You see here like engineering, humanities, math, science, right? Social science, language learning. So either it could be English grammar or Spanish or German or whatever it could be. So there are a lot of options that are available. Now here is the next most important thing that you need to do. You need to quickly do a research on that. Now say for example, if I want to create a course on English speaking, I'm also going to tell like how much you can earn from Udemy, the complete earning model and everything I'm going to explain. So if you see here, okay, this has roughly around 13,000 reviews, 19,000 reviews, correct? So 3,000 reviews. So there are a lot of students who are learning. Now to get more idea, just click on that and go to that particular course. So you see that, okay, this particular course has got around 58,000 students. See the kind of title they have written: English for beginners, intensive spoken English course, correct? And understand the duration. So this is quite long, 77 hours, okay? And see the topics as well. You can also see the kind of topics they have created, right? So this is how you can check what kind of topics they have created. Now, if they have around 58,000 students, they would have earned a great income as well. I'm going to tell you how to check what is the kind of earning that you could get. Now, let's take for an example of, say for example, Facebook ads. If you're a person who is going to create videos on that, then quickly search that and say for example, I'm going to go to this. This course has got around 1,94,000 students. It's 11 hours course. So when you're creating a video course, make sure at least you are creating videos where the content is more than 3 hours. Try to plan anything above that. Okay. So go to that, you get an idea, right? The kind of topics they are covering. Now this is going to give you an idea like, okay, what kind of content that you can create. Now once you go through this, see how you can make it better. Right now, if it requires for you to purchase this particular course and go through and see how they have done it, you can certainly do it as well. Okay, so understand that and you start creating the course. Now, one small tip that I can give before creating the course is, when you're designing, always plan in such a way that I can say, for example, learn Facebook ads in 3 days. Okay, that is going to grab more attention. Though you might be creating content for around 3 hours or 10 hours, so plan like, okay, Facebook ads course in 3 hours. Now when you say in 3 days, when you say as 3 days, create your content as day 1, day 2, day 3, right? So usually whenever you use powerful numbers like 3 days or 5 days or a month, it is going to be highly effective. That's something that you could do. Now comes the next part. How much can I earn from Udemy, right? So here's the revenue sharing details. So sales occurring through instructor promotions. You'll be, say for example, you have your social media presence. Either you have Instagram followers, or say for example YouTube subscribers, and where you can share your Udemy course link over there in your videos or in the video description. Any sale that happens from them, you would get directly 97% of the revenue. That means you get the maximum share from whatever sale that is going to happen, correct? So out of 100 rupees, you get 97 rupees, exactly, correct? Now, if it happens from the Udemy side, when I say about Udemy side, Udemy also does a lot of marketing, right? They also have their own students. Now, why I say they have their own students is because, so there are a lot of people who have already registered on Udemy and their data is available over there, correct? Now, anyone who comes to Udemy and searches for the particular topic and they land on your course and they buy your course, okay, in that case, you're going to generate 37% of the revenue. Okay, so this is how much you earn if it is coming from, if a sale is happening from Udemy. So you could see here it says like where user clicks on either Udemy advertisement or browses the Udemy marketplace for the courses. So this is the earning potential, that's 97% if it is coming from your promotions, and 37% if it is coming from Udemy side. Now let me tell you how much you can earn. So usually, if I can show you, say for example, if I search as Facebook ads, right? Now you could see that the actual price of this course is 3,499, but it is available for 455. Okay, so that's 455 rupees. Now, most of the time, the Udemy courses are always selling during a discount season itself. Okay, that means you can expect like where your course is going to be sold anywhere around for around 300 to 600 rupees, within that range. So let's consider this itself as the pricing that your course is going to be sold, 455. Now, what is that you need to generate? 1 lakh. Okay, now the earning, if it is coming from your sale, it is going to be 97%, and if it is going to come from Udemy, it is going to be 37%. So let's consider 50% on an average. That means, so out of 455, say for example, you are going to earn around 227 rupees approximately. You are going to earn 227 rupees per sale. So how many sales you need per month? Now for you to earn around 1 lakh, 1 lakh divided by 227.5, you need around 439, that's around 440 enrollments per month. If you are able to get around 440 students who are going to enroll to your course in a month, certainly you can earn 1 lakh. Now, how do we do that? Now that's the main question, right? So one of the best way that you could do is, so do understand, Udemy majorly runs on the reviews, what the students are going to give. But once you launch your course, how to get that initial reviews that is going to give a boost for your course? Follow the simple hack that I'm going to tell you right now. Now, for you to create a course, all you need to do is log into Udemy and register yourself as an instructor. Okay. Once you register as an instructor, you'll be seeing an interface something like this, where you can just click on create a new course. Okay. Then it says, first let's find out what type of course you want to create. Select as create a rich learning experience with the help of video lectures. Click on this. Then click on continue. Now it says how about a working title. So say for example I'm going to give as Facebook 2022. This is what I'm going to give. Okay, master Facebook ads in 3 days. Click on continue. Now it says what category. So select the category here. I'm going to select as marketing. Just click on continue. How much time you can spend creating your content. So you select the appropriate one that you feel. I'm going to select that. Okay, I'm going to select anywhere around 2 to 4 hours. Okay, so just click on continue. Now you could see that the video course has been created. Okay, master Facebook ads in 3 days 2022. First you need to fill the section intended learners. So just mention like, okay, for whom you have been creating this course, right? So that's what you need to identify and write here. So take example of other courses and see how they have written, and you can add that here. Next, they have given an example like, okay, how exactly should be the course structure and everything. They have given some tips here. You can certainly read that. Again, with respect to setup and test video, they have mentioned that, okay, make sure there is not too much voice and you are having a good lighting for your video and things like that. Some details on film and editing. So this is just the tips that they have given. So once you have created your course, go to the curriculum section and start adding one by one. Okay, so as I said, you can go with day 1, day 2, day 3, or you can say as lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3. So however you feel comfortable, you can do that. Again, take example from other similar courses as well. So do add the captions. After your videos have been published, it will automatically generate the captions. You just need to review it and publish it. Now once you have created all the videos and added the captions, so then it's time for you to publish the course. So course title has been given. You can give the subtitle, course description, basic info like what language. Okay, that's something that you can enter here. You can also give the course image that people are going to see when they're searching on Udemy, and you can also give a small promotional video over there, maybe around 15-second or 1-minute video that you can give, so that people can watch that video, understand what you are sharing, and they can also enroll by seeing that. It's just kind of a promotional video that you are going to add. Next is pricing. So give the pricing details here. Okay, once pricing is done, so promotions. So in the promotion section, you can create special coupon codes so that you can share with your community members or your followers or your subscribers to bring in more sales. Okay, and last is course message. What is the welcome message that you want to send them? So basically this message is going to go to their email, the welcome message, and once they complete the course, they are going to get this congratulations message. So this is the a framework on how you should be doing it. Once you are done with this, just click on submit for review. Within a couple of days, your course will be reviewed and approved, and if they feel that, okay, there could be some updates that could be done, they will be suggesting on that. Okay, so that's how you create a course. On Udemy, getting positive reviews is really important to make sure your course is reaching a lot of students. So I'm going to tell you how exactly you can get top reviews for your new course. Let's see that. So to do that, once you have created your course, okay, so go to the promotion section. Once you go to promotion section, you see an option here like which says create a new coupon. Just click on that and you see multiple options. So select either this one or this one. Okay, now say for example I'm going to select this as a free targeted 100 redemptions expires in 31 days. So that means you're going to give your course absolutely free for 100 people. Now why you should be doing that? Now if you want to really get the reviews in the beginning, the best thing that you could do is once you create the course, create a free coupon. So say for example I just click on this. Okay, you will be getting a coupon here. Again, I'm not going to go too technical in this. Once you create this coupon, share it on your social media platform and say that I've just created a Udemy course, okay, on this particular topic. I really want to get your positive feedback. Can you please go through this particular course? Okay, as as a token of thank you, I'm just giving you this course, which is priced at around 455, absolutely free. In return, what I'm looking from you is a 5-star rating with proper inputs on how this really helped you, and also mention them to watch the course, and then give the review. Only then it is going to be valid. Okay. So when you do this, and aim for getting at least around 30 to 50 reviews in the first month itself. Now that's when your course also starts ranking higher and higher, and that's how you can leverage on generating income from Udemy. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, then please do hit that subscribe button, click on that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel.